Hi guys, I'm going to change my Uni-Valve. So what I've done is I've made these up ready to just swap over. And then I've got 3 of them spare. I'll show you how I do it. So obviously pull it on, pull it off. Get my brush. Take out the end. A little bit tight. Water will turn off in a second. This one's got a switching off problem, that's why I'm swapping it. I'll just disconnect it there like that. So as you can see, I've got these little John Guest fittings. I'll just disconnect that. That's the faulty one. And then put that there, then put this one on. Just make sure I've got it the right way. Yep. Always make sure that it's pointing down to switch it on and off. Push it in like that. Push it in there. And that's that fixed. I'll just switch it on and test it. On, off. Off. On. Off. On. I know that works perfect. You can get on with my day better now. And it looks like the rain's coming back. I've had these repaired before, but it's a waste of time because it doesn't work unless the person that's fixed them for me has done it wrong. Thanks for watching.